Hi guys, my name is Ali from DigiDev channel YouTube. At the first, please subscribe our channel to give us energy. Okay guys, this lesson is about an ordered list and the next lesson is about ordered list. List in HTML5 we have more useful for menus or nav bars. Let's start code or unordered list. At the first guys, it's better to write your unordered list inside a nav menu. We have UL tag, it means unordered list, and inside of UL you should use LI. Okay guys, this is a list. For example, the first one is Ali test cook milk orange. Let's see the result. Did you see? This is a list in HTML5 where the programmers use list. For example, in the menus, now open a site, search for example music. Guys, this is a list, but we call it menu, but they write this with list. I can see that DDC unordered list and LI inside this. Or for example, another more unordered list I want to show you. Sorry. They are list. We call it mega menu. I will teach you in the future how to make a beautiful mega menu with a style, but in these lessons we don't know CSS and we can't make the list horizontal like this. Okay guys, this tutorial in this part is finished, and now I wanna talk about ordered list. They are same, but ordered list has attribute, but the most useful is this unordered list. Again, like this, I write OL and it's this LI. For example, car, milk, shoes, and site, and the last one is DigiDev. Okay guys, let's go see the result. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have an attribute, we call it reverse. What is do? It's reverse our list. Can you see DigiDev, site, shoes. DigiDev is the first. It's the last one, but when I reverse this is the first one. Did you see one? And another attribute is a start. What is do? For example, when I said 20, my list numbers start from 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And the next one is type. What is do? For example, if you want to use to show your list with numbers, for example 1 to 100, you can use this one. Or if you want to show your list with alphabet, you can use A, capital A. Oh, I didn't save it. A, B, C, D, E. Or if you use a small a, B, C, D, E. Or we have I, V, V. This is attributes of OL. Guys, this is list in HTML. This is too easy. And We work a lot with list in HTML because we have menus in our site, and the navbar of our site and our programming or coding is the most important side of our site. Okay, have a good night. Goodbye.